Hi, Sonia. Okay, so I've got question 1 here, and so it looks like you integrated, according to your email, that you were able to integrate for the first part. And so that will give you the net distance traveled. The problem with finding the total distance traveled is that if we look at the graph here, there's actually a negative section in the graph, and so since that represents your distance, you're going to have to break up your integral and integrate over different intervals there so that you get the correct distance, okay? So what we want to do is, the first thing we want to do is find out where the original curve intersects with the x-axis, which is the line y equals 0. So I'm going to take this and set it equal to 0, and I'm going to solve for t. So sine t equals -1/2. So either t can be, let me see, what would that be? 7 pi, positive 7 pi over 6, or 11 pi over 6. Those are the two angles that would give you a sine of -1/2. And so when you do the second part and you're looking for your total distance, you need to be working with two integrals. You need to go from 0 to 7 pi over 6. And then you need to go, actually 3 intervals, 7 pi over 6 to 11 pi over 6. And then you need to add from 11 pi over 6 to 2 pi. And so you'll have to split it up into 3 different integrals and evaluate it over all 3 in order to get the total distance. Otherwise, you're going to have a negative area for one of those, and that's going to get subtracted, and so your net distance will be smaller than your total distance. So I hope that helps with question 1, and if not, if you still need more clarification, just send me what you've got, and I'll have a look at it and see if we can figure out where the problem is.